back at the creation of the generator. See, I went ahead and took this alternator and used the two-part epoxy to laminate this set of the small cogwheel on the alternator here that has the teeth on it right here. So this way and I made this base frame right here for the alternator to sit on, and right here we have the clamp right here. I can make adjustments to the alternator once it sits on the base frame. And here we have the pivot point right here, down here at the bottom. I made here for the so it'll go left or right. And here, over here, I made this. I had to add on this plate right here to plumb it up or level it up with the main frame, and that'll go right in here. Something like that. And that should, and then I'll level it up right in there. And that should bad news, folks. I tried it, and this motor here doesn't have enough torque to turn that alternator. See, it drags and see, it turns, but see how it's I'm just doing this by hand right now, but it's just doesn't have enough torque to get this to spin fast enough. So looks like this is not going to work unless I come up with a different magnet type of I could build a cylinder off of this thing with some magnets and some neodimiun magnets in here, and run off have copper coils in here, something like a windmill generator, and create current that way. But the concept works, but I'm going to have to come up. See, now look how nice that spins. That's before we put that alternator on it, and it has some drag to it, or some torque, or some pressure, but it looks like this is not going to work unless I get a better torque motor, a different torque, more of a torque motor. See, this one here is dogging down and not quite working unless I could come off and run off of this with I'll show you one idea I had that would actually work, that I tried with this small motor. See, this small motor here lit my LED lights. If I took this motor off here and put a cogwheel on it, I could tie it anywhere on this, anywhere on this set of cogwheels, and get the lights to come on, or get the LED lights to come on. So I know that works for positive. See, I could put a cogwheel right here on this and it'd work. Quite a few different ways you could run current off these cogwheels, you know.